Guys, this is RAV4. RAV4. I'm doing the brake pad, rear one. You know the electric handbrake, yeah? If the caliper is electric handbrake, I'm gonna show you. If you don't have computer, you use this way. If you have computer, just release and everything will be good. If you don't have computer, this one, look, like you have to do it opposite. If you do it opposite, like if you flip positive and negative, then the thing will go back. If you flip again, the thing will come on, the piston. So I'm doing now this one. You see, I'm gonna show you now. I have to flip the wire here, this one here, and look here. Johnny, you hear the sound? That's it. So now I'm gonna bring it from here. Look, it will go easy. Look, look, like normal thing. See, that's how you do it.